Hi guy. Hey, this is Tulsi Kuwadia. I am talking about my experience with the Jayeshwar Baba Sitaram spoken English class. I had chance of tour America and I cannot understand English word, I cannot read English word, I cannot speak English word. My younger brother was taking training about the English speaking with the Jayeshwar. He talked to me, you can join classes with Baba Sitaram Institute Jayeshwar. And this is my experience. I go to United States of America 2007 and I get job British Oil Company in the store manager. And I don't have problem any kind of English language. મને ખૂબ સરસ એક્સપિરિયન્સ થયો. હું એક શબ્દ પણ નહોતો જાણતો ઇંગ્લિશનો, કે નહોતો બોલી શકતો, કે નહોતો વાંચી શકતો, કે કોઈ પણ મને ઇંગ્લિશનું નોલેજ નહોતું. બટ at the 3 months I am ready to go United States and I don't have any kind of problem. I can speak good English, I can understand good English. I know sometimes I make a mistake, but I am so happy my experience with the Baba Sitaram Institute and Jayeshwar. Thanks to Jayeshwar again and again. I am thanks to Jayeshwar because I am not any kind of problem about the English language and any kind of problem in the United States. Thank you much. Thank you everybody. Bye.